Hello everyone! Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda: today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on document access action. We will walk through the process of providing document access at the global level. Objectives: objective of this training is to understand following. How is document access provided globally? What types of access are available for globally sharing a document, and how can these access levels be granted? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites: to perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and the admin role with organization access, as well as DMS form access. Additionally, the folder must be shared globally. Global document access. Global document access allows a document to be shared across the entire organization, enabling multiple users, roles, or teams to view or edit it. Access is controlled through two permission levels: read and read-write. It allows seamless collaboration across teams and ensures everyone works with the most up-to-date information. It also improves efficiency by reducing duplication and maintaining controlled access. Let us discuss this with an example. A company grants global access to its HR policy document in a document management system. Employees across all departments can read the document to stay informed about policies, ensuring that everyone has access to the latest information without creating multiple versions. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click on the Employees Policies 2026 folder to open it. All the documents uploaded within this folder will be displayed. The user selects the Company Holiday Policy document and click the three ellipses next to it. These are the document actions available in the DMS. From the list, select the Document Access action. A Share Document pop-up will appear on the user screen, allowing them to choose who should be granted access to the document. To provide access globally, the user simply selects the Public Access checkbox and clicks the Save button. After saving, a new row containing all users will be added to the pop-up window. By default, red access is granted, but the user can change the permission level using the drop-down menu. For global sharing, the available options are only read and read-write. At the moment, I am selecting red access. If the user wants to remove shared document permissions from all users, they can click the Delete button. This will unshare the document for all users. Right now, I am not deleting the access. Click OK to successfully share the document globally. The user refreshes the form, and the document icon changes from the normal document to a global document icon, indicating that the document is now shared globally. To verify, the user will log in with a different user using the tenant account with admin role and organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. The user selects the Employees Policies 2026 folder to open it. As shown, the shared document is now visible on the other user's side. Click the three ellipses to view the available document actions. The actions are visible, depend on the permissions granted. Since Jackson shared this document, including the Company Holiday Policies document with read-only access, only the limited actions corresponding to that permission level are displayed. So, in this video, we have covered how to share a document globally, and the remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.